Looking for ways to make money online? Then you've come to the right place. Today, I'll share with you 17 apps and websites that allow you to earn while doing the things you love to do even in your free time. Whether it's accomplishing surveys and tasks or doing nothing at all, you may never expect that there's an opportunity to make money in all of them. I can assure you that all of these apps are legit and free to use. Plus, you could earn more than $750 across multiple platforms. Sounds interesting? Well, stick around with me till the end and learn how you can make money online in not one, not two, but 17 ways. Hello and welcome to The Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be among the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. Kicking things off on our list is blockreward.app. If you take a look at it at first glance, you'll find that it's just your typical paid survey and task website where you can make money from completing certain tasks and offers daily. But as other similar paid survey sites pay you through PayPal and e-wallets, this platform here pays you in cryptocurrency. Yep, crypto! So if you happen to be a crypto aficionado or just prefer to have your transactions done through crypto, you can definitely try out Block Reward as a means to earn online. With Block Reward, you can earn hundreds or thousands of points from participating in countless surveys and tasks, and you can then redeem them for cryptocurrency straight to your wallet. The second app that you should try out to make money online is EarnApp. Here in EarnApp, you can generate passive income in not one but two ways. On one hand, you can refer your friends, colleagues, and family to the platform and get paid at least $5 every time someone installs it using your unique link. On the other hand, you can earn passively while your devices take a rest. If you have a handful of devices you're not using, you can connect them to EarnApp and get paid for their unused data and resources. At number 3, this website lets you earn a significant chunk of money just from doing stuff with your PC or phone while you're bored and in your free time. This one here is called gg2u.org. And what it does is that it rewards gamers, video binging folks, and other individuals from all over the world with countless e-gift cards, PayPal cash, and even Bitcoin currency. All that just for their precious time spent on playing video games, watching countless YouTube videos, taking daily surveys, and just doing all other fulfilling online tasks. Registering your account here on GG2U is easy peasy. Just input basic details about yourself, then as soon as you sign into your dashboard, you get a sweet bonus worth $1. Ever wondered if it's possible to earn online by just sharing and using your internet connection? At number 4, Honeygain.com allows you to generate passive income as effortlessly as possible. This app is available for Mac and Windows devices and allows you to make money by simply sharing your internet data. With Honeygain, you can earn $18 monthly by sharing your internet. How much your actual number is will depend on how much you're sharing your data, how many hours you're spending that on, and even how many devices you can use with your account. If you're able to share it 24 hours a day, and if you have more than 10 devices, you can get to earn up to $184 per month. The more devices you have, the more money you can earn by sharing your data with Honeygain. Creating an account is easy and you can start earning passive income from your devices without having to complete surveys, tasks, offers, or watch videos. Like to earn gift cards more than cash? This next website can help you get them much faster if you do a bunch of stuff online in your free time. At number 5 is Insta GC, aka Instant Gift Cards. With Insta GC, you can get paid instantly through countless gift cards that you can use for your online purchases. You get to join a rapidly growing community, earn points from completing surveys, searching for anything, watching videos online, and more, and receive points that you can redeem for gift cards instantly. By creating a free account, you'll receive 10 free points instantly, and then you can do whatever you want online to earn cash back. Insta GC is a great option for those looking to earn money-saving gift cards online through a variety of activities. Number 6 is PaidVers. Available in both website and mobile app forms, this platform pays you a significant amount of cash straight to your wallet every time you click on and interact with ads and websites. Setting itself apart from the rest, PaidVers claims to be the pioneering pay-to-click service with a unique points program, allowing you to increase your chances of making more money the more you use it every day. PaidVers splits the ad revenue with you, making it a simple way to earn money online. And when you have enough earnings to withdraw, you can transfer it through web money, perfect money, Payeer, and much more. The 7th app that you can use to make money online is Paidviewpoint. This one is available exclusively on the Google Play Store, so if you think there's an iOS version for that, unfortunately, you're out of luck. If you do own 1 or 2 Android devices, you can download the Paidviewpoint app there and use it to make some extra cash even while you're on the go. You can use it in your spare time to complete different tasks. And once you have $15 in your account balance, you can cash that out into your PayPal, as you can see. You can even maximize your earning potential when you refer to the Paidviewpoint app with your friends and get paid up to $25. Standing at number 8 is PrizeRebel.com, another points-based paid survey website that lets you earn money online during your free time. I've already talked about this platform in full in our previous video, so I bet some of you guys have heard about this before. But for those who haven't, PrizeRebel allows you to earn points by taking a wide array of surveys and offers updated daily, which you can redeem for over 100 rewards, including PayPal Cash as well as Amazon and Walmart gift cards. The 9th go-to platform to make money online is Respondant.io, another website that I got to talk about in depth in our recent video. With Respondant.io, you can help make a significant contribution to studies organized by big companies by joining as a paid participant. By doing so, you can earn anywhere from $100 to $750 per average hourly incentive. If you have a job in any of these industries, Respondent can be a great way to earn passive income on the side. If you're a passionate gamer who wants to earn well-deserved rewards, then you should check out this 10th website. Reward XP takes on a distinctive spin to points-based survey platforms. While our previously mentioned apps make you do certain tasks in exchange for points that can be redeemed for PayPal Cash, this platform does the same, but this time with XPs that you can trade for gaming currency as well as gift cards and discounts on gaming gear. Registration only takes a few seconds, as you'll only need your Google or Facebook account. When you log in, you can join the Reward XP Discord community for special events and big giveaways. It is easy to sign in and use, and in no time, you'll be rained on with rewards left and right. At number 11, this website lets you visit other websites and get paid for every click you made. SurfClicks pays you to click on different websites, which in turn helps website owners to improve their Google search rankings. To get a gist of how it essentially works, small-scale businesses and companies pay SurfClicks to have people search for their website on Google and click on it. And if it all goes well, it will be at the top of the search results. And more people will pay attention to their product or service. You can join SurfClicks as a clicker and make a difference. You can earn up to 10 cents per click, and the payout minimum is $5, which you can transfer to your PayPal right away. This next app will pay you for nothing. You heard that right, literally nothing. At number 12 comes SimCashDoio, where as its slogan goes, you can make profits with your unused SMS. All you have to do is connect your device using your mobile number and receive text messages. You don't have to reply to them or read them. Every time your phone receives text, you can get paid in an instant. Signing up to SimCashDoio is completely free. So if you want to get paid for nothing at all, why not test it out? Standing at number 13 is SurveyTime.io. You can access it whether you're using your computer or smartphone. This website pays you instantly, offering around $1 for every survey that you complete. What's nice about SurveyTime is that it pays the most. But the downside is that it doesn't have as many surveys to complete as other platforms. You may be available to complete a couple of surveys a day, but then there may not be any available for a few days. Despite this, you can enjoy earning $1 per survey, and if you complete all of them in a day, you'll have as much on PayPal as you can spend. At number 14, Testable Minds pays you for your efforts and contributions to make the world a better place. This website allows you to answer different questions and help with studies in exchange for some extra cash. It works similarly to Respondant.io. The only difference that sets it apart from the others is its association with the top universities and colleges across the US, UK, and more. Testable pays you up to $4 for every short test. Take note that you'll need to be really smart in order to get the answers right. The 15th app you should check out to make money online is TimeBucks. If you spend time on Facebook as much as I do, then TimeBucks makes it possible for you to earn from doing exactly that. That's not all, because through this platform you can also get paid for viewing slideshows, playing games, installing apps, and more. They also offer daily bonuses in the referral program, which you can also use to expand your earnings. TimeBucks pays out every week, and you can even connect with your Facebook account to start earning right away. TimeBucks does not have a sign-up bonus, but you can still make money instantly by completing various tasks. At number 16 is UnivoxCommunity.com, where you can answer daily surveys and earn rewards including gift cards, free PayPal cash, and even a virtual credit card. With Univox, you get the chance to make money in your spare time. But that's not all. If you create your account today, you will instantly receive $2 as a sign-up bonus. By signing up and completing surveys, you can earn at any time on any device, whether you're in front of the PC screen or your phone. And to cap this list off, at number 17 is none other than VidIQ. If you happen to run a YouTube channel or TikTok account, you may have tried making money before from either of these platforms or wanted to step up your content creation game but don't know where to start. Well, VidIQ has just the right tools you'll need to increase your views and following. However, if you're not too interested in it or don't have enough time and effort to create content for a living, that's definitely okay, because you can also earn money by promoting VidIQ as an affiliate. You don't need to own a YouTube account just to become a VidIQ partner. Once you sign up, you can simply share your referral link with as many people as you can send. And for every click, you can earn hundreds if not thousands worth of extra cash every month. With that being said, that's all for today's video. If you're ready to try any of the apps that I just suggested to you, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below what you think. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our latest updates. That's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.